Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I've got something pretty mind-blowing to share today. Imagine watching a TV interview with an AI clone. Yeah, that's exactly what happened recently on Maria Bartiromo's Wall Street. Let's dive in. So, Maria Bartiromo interviewed Dara Lajavardian, the CEO of Delphi, and his incredibly lifelike AI clone. Yes, you heard that right, an AI clone. This was the first time an AI clone has been interviewed on live television, and it created quite a buzz. Now, why is this so cool? Well, this AI clone is designed to interact with people in a personalized way and in real time. During the interview, the clone even explained its purpose: to help people share their unique thoughts and ideas on a much larger scale. Think about the potential here, especially in education and mentoring. Personalized learning could get a whole new meaning. Security, of course, is a big deal. Delphi ensures strict measures to protect user data and responsibly use this technology. The AI clone learns from the information given by its human counterpart, which allows it to engage in meaningful conversations and answer questions accurately. Impressive, right? Let's talk about scaling knowledge and interaction. This AI clone can make unique knowledge and experiences accessible to a wider audience. Imagine learning from the world's most brilliant minds, even after they're gone. This technology could allow individuals to leave behind a digital legacy that continues to teach and inspire future generations. Fascinating stuff. The AI clone gets smarter over time by constantly refining its understanding through interactive Q&A sessions. It becomes a valuable resource for anyone seeking knowledge and insights. This could democratize knowledge, making it accessible to all. Now, let's address augmenting human capabilities. Delphi's mission isn't to replace humans with AI, but to augment our abilities. The AI clone lets individuals scale their impact and share their unique perspectives with a larger audience. By automating certain tasks, it frees up humans to focus on higher-level thinking and creativity. Rather than replacing human connection, the AI clone aims to enhance it. It provides a new avenue for communication and knowledge sharing, connecting people with shared interests and learning from experts worldwide. This could foster greater understanding and collaboration across cultures and disciplines. The ultimate goal here is to create a future where humans and AI work together, leveraging each other's strengths to achieve more than ever before. This interview gave us a glimpse into that exciting future, a future where AI empowers us and enhances our ability to connect, learn, and grow. So, what do you think? Is this the future you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.